Now, well, just got my ski off the trailer, put it onto the dolly. I'm just gonna install these jet ski collars I got here. Got these off Broski. Right, just taking off the second bolt there. Right, get a screwdriver, put it in there. I don't need it up that far, but it'll make it easier to work with. Right, so I only have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pot rivets out. Right, I've got a couple of screws on. Just drilling my holes, do one, this one, do one, this one, I'll do another one here. Just line this up where I need it and I'll get these all attached. Right, I've got the bracket mounted up there now. Just got to go and drill the rest of my holes. Right, just drilled the last hole. Take it all off, bolt it back behind there. Got my bracket on there. It's looking good. Just got to stick my gunnel rubber back on. I'll just pot rivet this back on. Right, gunnel rubber's all pot rivet back on. Sweet, whack this back in. Right, start on the other side before I can fit my back corner on. Right, I've got the other side on. Gotta pot rivet my gunnel rubber back on. Right, I got my gunnel rubber on. All pot riveted back, so I'll just remote. Now just gotta fit my back corners on. Alright, just gotta stick the back on. I got my collars on. I've only put one side on because I've got to just widen my trailer poles here, but I'll do that in the next day or so. Got those on, and then I've just got to stick the grip on the top. Should be all good, man. That should keep it stable as. Cheers, broski. We'll have a to do with that in the next week or so once the weather comes out right. We're in level 2, so I'm out there, man, blasting it.